Still out in Northern California at the Great Mall in Milpitas. They got a Foot Locker outlet. Let's go. Let's go. 50% off. Pretty much everything, dude. Pretty much the same setup, same pricing scheme as the Foot Locker outlet out in Los Angeles. I don't know why I can't talk. All right, let's look around. I feel like they got way less stuff. This is the men's Nike and Jordan section right here. Men's Adidas section right here. Guess looks like Vans, Converse, as well as New Balance. And the rest of the stuff right here. Jordan 4 graffitis, to be able to get these for 50% off, not bad. These are $240, so down to $120. That's actually not that bad. $50 for the Air Max 90s right here. Huaraches right here. Bronze down to $90. Witnesses going for $30. So I guess these are what, $100 for these. We've seen them at retail shops for that much though. And then got blazers for $35, $35, $30, and $35 for these bad boys right here. Price is not that bad. The selection is just kind of whatever, dude, compared to LA. Maybe we're just spoiled as hell out in LA. These are some slides right here. Adidas slides down to $10. Top 10s down to $25. Another one right here, going for $30. $35 for these rival. $30 for these forums right here. Superstars down to what, $42.50. Adidas foams going for $22.50. That might be the cheapest we've ever seen those. $45 for these. I feel like these were like hella cheap, like everywhere in LA. And they're regular price, but you get at least 50 off. But I feel like these were like just dirt cheap. I don't know. They're down to like 60, but I feel like we've seen them for like $30. Got these pre-worn look. Oh, I can't stand that look. I can't stand that dirty look. More the forum lows right here go for 40. These are 150, so 75 for those. Not bad. See what's going on with this apparel section before we finish off the men's. We got Locker brand baseball stuff right here. Got hoodies. Like the Locker brand material, like pretty decent. Got Jordan Flight stuff right here. 90 down to 45. A few different sizes. They all look pretty big though. No, yeah, they're all XL. I got these runners right here. These are down to what? $50, normally $100. That's a pretty dope shirt right here. All the different Jordan logos, $52.50. So that brings it down to what, $28, something like that. I believe these shirts are all $25, but they might be $12.50 because I think you get an extra 50% off everything. Got hats right here as well. Does it have a price tag? Yeah, $20. So I think these are all going for $10. And they're all just, is it just one hat plus this Jumpman thing? Yeah, pro standard hat, I guess. Okay. Got these sweatshirts right here, $78.50 off. This one, the faux stitching thing, 50% off as well. Do they? Oh, okay. Sizing definitely an issue. Not that many sizes. They got poofy jackets. Poofy jackets. Someone's gonna be like, they're puffy. They're called puffy jackets. Who cares? $210 down to $110. Not bad. Not bad. We'll go over a few of the Vans. I don't see you guys asking too much about the Vans, to be real honest. The Lowlands. These Lowlands normally go for $90. These are down to $30. This is a canvas and suede combo too. Old Schools right here down to $17.50. Are you serious? These are size 12. Oh snap, I'm gonna have to buy some sneakers for my kiddo before school starts. He's just ending school and I'm already thinking about when he returns back to school. Got these skate highs right here, 45. So is that $22.50? More skate highs right here for 20. That has that dirty look though. $17.50 for these. Gel light threes right here for $20. For $20, all white gel light threes. These are 9.5. Holy cow! Gel light threes for $20? Are you serious? These are clean as hell. Damn. I can't believe those gel light threes were only $20, dude. That's definitely the cheapest I've seen these. Got some, what are these? What the hell are these? I don't even know what the hell these are. Got some classic Asics right here, $40 a piece for those. Got some more gel light threes right here. I would assume this one's on sale. We've seen these for hella cheap. Even at regular Foot Locker, we see for hella cheap. We got Iversons going for $40. Got some Stewies right there for $35. What's that? Yeah, $35. Trying to do math for you guys. Real time. Sometimes it don't work out. We got some Filas right here. $15 for some Filas. This is like Rugrats or something. Some sort of cartoon. And then got the rest of the lines over here. Actually, to get 550s, 2002 Rs, 50% off for 2002 Rs. That is kind of ridiculous now that I think about it. Didn't see all these. Look at this. Is this a 1906? 1906 to be able to get this for 50% off. That's actually kind of crazy because you really don't see some of these New Balances like that. 550s right here going for 50 off. That's kind of insane. The Street Fighter Workout Plus right here. Reebok Workout Plus. Street Fighter Championship Edition, I think that's. But yeah, $20 for those. I don't even think I saw this section right here. Got some dope apparel. Pro Standard. Got Golden State Pro Standard stuff right here. $40. So $20 t-shirts. If they had Lakers stuff, oh, it'd be on. Pro Standard hoodies right here. If you're Golden State fans, holy cow. Holy cow. $100 down to 50 for these bad boys right here. That's what's up. Got the matching pants right there. Got more shirts right here. These are down to $20. And even got shorts right here. That's what's up. That's what's up. $75, 50 off. And then even have Raiders merch right here. Yeah, and these are going for what, $19.50? Pretty much $20. Then to be able to get Crocs for 50% off, pretty freaking fire. It's just kind of crazy because I swear a lot of their prices are different than the ones in LA. I don't know. But yeah, $22.50 for those Crocs right there. All the other ones not marked, they're still 50% off, so that's pretty dope. Checking out the women's section now. Holy cow, $30 for these. These are the Go Fly E's. Holy cow, that's cheap. If that a different colorway, I would get one for my kiddo. Dang it. He might not want to wear those anymore. These, I do not believe you get 50% off because it's Jordan Retro, so I don't think you get 50 off of those. But these are down to 65 right here. Cortezes, what are these normally? 90, so what, 45 for these bad boys. Got multiple colorways. 45 for the Air Max 1 Premiums. Blazers down to $25 right here. And they got these, like, you know, they're 50% off, but dang, $25, that's kind of crazy. These are also excluded from the discount material, and these are pretty crazy. $150 for these. Air Max 97, you do get 50% off these bad boys right here. And then grade school right here. This is all the grade school items. Seeing if I'm missing anything. Nothing that's crazy. Good selection though, good selection, especially for 50% off. Pretty big Adidas outlet. All right, let's look around. Looks really big from the outside. When you come inside, not that big. Everything additional 50% off the back wall. This might be the cheapest we've seen these. Is it the Buzents? I don't know what the hell I call them. That was just nice material on these. $30. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. That's a size 12. Trae Young is going for hella cheap, $27.50. That's a bigger size. Got some 4Ds right here. Looks like they were returned because it looks like they were worn, but $100 though. What was it, 110 maybe? Yeah, because I think they're 220. Top 10s right here, but doesn't seem like any crazy discounts. Some retro P's right here. These are pretty freaking comfy. $70, so what, $35 for those. They actually have Adidas basketball here. I haven't seen Adidas basketball yet, an Adidas outlet in forever. But yeah, $60 for Dynasty 4s. Got a couple different ones. I think the 5s look so much better, but you know, 50% off. Trae Young 2s, I thought those would be way cheaper. Dame certifieds right here. Then the Dame 8s, which I think look a lot better. Still look kind of budgety. But yeah, $65 for those. And then they do have some superstars as well as Stan Smiths, but they're not included in the promotion. They got OG colorways. They got all kinds of colorways. And even these campus right here, but yeah, not included. I don't think I talked about it, but yeah, 50% off store-wide. but doesn't include some things, does include other things. These NMDs right here includes these. And usually there's like a couple rows of Ultra Boosts. I don't see any in the aisles. And I'm searching, no Ultra Boosts. What the hell? Oh, they got a couple right here. They got a couple. 130 for those. 100 for majority of these. Dang, dude. One last outlet. Let's check this one out. Looks like you get 30% off the back wall. They do got their little heat section right here. Got some of those 920s right there. Got some, what, 1080s? Are these the latest 1080s? Yeah, it does look like they're the latest 1080s. What, 13s, 14s? Okay. If you guys are runners, 1080 V12s right here. Go for $90. Do get that extra 30 off on top of that. So that's pretty fire. That's not bad, dude. Is that $63, something like that? 550s going for $80. You do get that extra 30 off as well. Fresh foam Moors go for $150. Is that even more cushion than the 1080s? Taylor Swift, or the Travis Kelce version of the 550s right here. Do you get that? What is that? The 110, you do get an extra 30 off. What are these 515s on the bottom? Yeah, go for 70. They got these in a few sizes. What number are these? 997s. 997s go for $80. That's actually a really good deal. Wow. These 327s right here down to $80. Pretty decent sized back wall. This is all the men's section right here. And they also got a clearance section for the women all along the side. For the women, got these 515s right here. This is size 9 women's. Going for $60. You do get an extra 30 off on top. Another 515 right here with a bunch of sparkles on the size 8. Going for $60. 237s. It's down to $80. More 515s down to $60. Super small sizes right here. $50. 4.5 women's, or is that a kids? Might be kids. Yep. 997s right here. And the kids going for $70. Got some 880s right here. $135 for those. Wow, that's quite a bit. And I feel like I've seen this in so many different sizes. Got plenty of those. They got like 10 different colorways of the 997s. They are going for $90. Got all kinds of colorways. And they got more and more here. Yeah, they're all 997s. Oh, okay, wait. Now these last two are 550s. 237s. I called these the 327s earlier. My bad. 580s right here. 515s right here. Got a few different colorways of those. 1080. Apparently these are the 13th generation, and they're hella light. Holy crap, they're hella light. These are $160. You do get an extra 25% off though. Multiple colorways. And 880s, and these are the ones with a little less midsole, so for shorter distances. Women's section, they got the 237s, got a couple of those 550s. Oh, the 550s all along back here, and then 515s in the back. And more of a mishmash of different ones right here. These aren't the 237s, are they? No, these are the 997s right here. Is this one put in the wrong spot? Because the rest of those are 237s. Got 997s right here. Oh, someone mixed up this one and that 997 in the back. Some 1080s right here. 680s right here. Fresh Foam X. I don't know. Kahai Road. I don't know what the hell any of these are. Got a bunch of stuff that I don't really know. Got some more 515s back here. These are pretty clean, dude. Pretty clean. $75 for those bad boys right there. Ones right here, these are made in the USA. They're $140. Going for 30 off. That's actually really good. Got extra long hair suede. I like these. I'm not a big fan of that colorway though. The 990s right here. I think that's the cheapest I've seen those. Holy cow. It's like $100. And they got some here on the men's side as well. Yeah, these really are the cheapest I've seen these. $100 almost. Wow. Got so many different colorways. Wow. Wow. That's crazy.